Unraveling Idioms, the story behind cold feet. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our English language exploration series. Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of idioms, and the star of our show is the phrase, cold feet. This peculiar expression has nothing to do with the temperature of your toes, but rather, it's all about emotions and human experiences. So, if you're ready, let's get to the bottom of where cold feet comes from and what it means. Cold feet is an idiom that refers to a feeling of nervousness or hesitation before a significant event, especially one that involves a commitment, like a wedding or a big business deal. When someone gets cold feet, it means they are experiencing doubts or second thoughts about going ahead with the plan. The interesting thing about cold feet is that it's not a literal term. You don't actually feel cold in your feet. It's a metaphorical way to describe a sudden loss of courage or confidence. It's like your body is getting ready to run away from the situation, starting with your feet. The origin of cold feet as an idiom is not entirely clear, but it is believed to have surfaced in the 19th century. One of the earliest known uses in print was in the 1896 newspaper The Daily Iowa Capital, where it was used to describe a poker player who did not follow through on a bet due to nervousness. Since then, it has been widely adopted in the English language and is used in various contexts. To give you a better grasp of how cold feet is used, here are a few examples. John was excited about his new job, but he got cold feet the night before his first day. Many people get cold feet before their wedding, which is completely normal given the magnitude of the commitment. She was going to bungee jump, but she got cold feet when she saw how high the bridge was. Notice how in each case, cold feet is associated with a moment of hesitation or doubt just before a significant event. So, there you have it, folks. Now you know all about the idiom, cold feet, what it means, where it might come from, and how to use it in everyday conversation. Idioms like this one add color and emotion to our language, and understanding them can really help in becoming fluent in English. I hope this video has warmed up your language skills and that you don't get cold feet when trying out this new expression. Until next time, keep learning and stay confident with your English.